¿Tú pagas el mío?
Once again, that ticket number is 047 747. Win number door prize. You come change your door prize at the sound system. As a matter of fact, I'm invitados to buy your ticket for the raffle happening later on at 5 o'clock. We'll be raffling the barbecue pits right next to the sound system. So buy your tickets, compra sus boletitos for only $2. Buy your tickets for the barbecue pits. And with the barbecue pit, you'll be taking a case of a Red Bull and the Red Bull cooler right next to the barbecue pit. So buy your tickets, compra sus boletitos. You got a door prize, go to ticket number 047047. Ganador, un premio. Alrighty, last call going out for ticket number 047047. Once again, that is ticket number 047047. Última llamada, last call. Ticket number 047, ganador. Last